I'm Benjamin. I'm the team lead for installation logistics for RWE Offshore. In my team, everybody is passionate about green energy. I am leading a team of experts that are responsible for the installation of our offshore wind farms. We are improving our installation methods, the fabrication, delivering a very green product. I think the best thing about my role is the team we are working with. We have marine experts, cable experts, structural engineers, naval architects. The variety of people and the experience of the team members is extraordinary, I would say. What I really like working at RWE is we can work from home, we can work from the office. The flexibility in working hours and working locations is great. Joining our team is one of the best things you could do because you are actually involved from very early beginning to decommissioning, so you can see the complete life cycle. And of course, the most interesting part is the construction phase, where we have the very big vessels, big monopiles, big foundations, big wind farms. From here, I'm tackling even bigger engineering challenges.